everyone. Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, where we help you transform your outdoor spaces into personal paradises. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. If you've been looking for a way to add architectural flair, striking textures, and a touch of the exotic to your home garden without spending every weekend with a watering can, you are in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the world of cacti. These resilient, sculptural wonders are more than just prickly desert dwellers. They are the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it design element for the modern gardener. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a tiny sunny balcony, we're going to show you how to harness the unique beauty of cactus plants to level up your outdoor aesthetic. What exactly defines a cactus in the context of your garden? In the world of botany, cacti are a specific subcategory of succulents characterized by areoles, those small, cushion-like structures from which spines, branches, and flowers grow. Choosing them for your home garden is a brilliant move for several reasons. Primarily their incredible adaptability and low-maintenance nature. They have evolved to store water in their thick stems, making them drought-tolerant champions that thrive in heat where other plants might wither. Beyond their toughness, they offer a living sculpture quality that most leafy plants can't match. Their varied shapes, from towering columns to perfect spheres, provide a year-round structural interest that keeps your garden looking curated and intentional, even in the harshest seasons. Using cactus and succulents in planters and outdoor landscaping is a smart way to include drought-tolerant, low-maintenance plants in your garden. It's not surprising that cactus and succulents are enjoying overwhelming popularity in the garden design world. In fact, their fruits and pads are featured in cocktails, salads, and even jellies. These sculptural plants can be easily integrated with other drought-tolerant trees, shrubs, perennials, and ornamental grasses for a beautiful and natural-looking garden design. Take a look at these 10 attractive and popular cacti that you can work with in a landscape design. Whether it is a few containers, raised planting beds, or an entire yard. One beavertail cactus. Beavertail is a prickly pear cactus with pads that are mostly blue-green. It grows to about 20 inches high and up to 6 feet wide. Beavertail has dark cherry pink flowers that almost glow and smell like watermelon. It blooms late winter to early summer and is ideal for desert landscaping and drought-tolerant gardens. Beavertail looks great teamed with Angelita daisy and barrel cactus. Potted plants benefit from a diluted cactus fertilizer once a year, but plants in garden settings do not need to be fertilized. 2. Blue flame cactus. Blue flame cactus is also known as bilberry cactus, garambolo, or whortleberry. It can grow to 15 feet high and 6 to 10 feet wide. Crested species are usually smaller. In its natural habitat, blue flame forms dense, cactus forests. It is most recognized for its upright candelabra shape, blue-green color, and purple fruit that looks and tastes like a cross between a blueberry and cranberry. Like many cacti, blue flame is stunningly staged with gravel mix and rocks in a container. If you live in a region that can support it in-ground, this cactus can be the focal point of a drought-tolerant cactus or succulent garden. 3. Candelabra cactus. Candelabra cacti can reach about 10 feet tall and wide. Their cup-shaped flowers open during the day and close in the evening. The fruits are edible, although somewhat acidic. In its native habitat, candelabra cacti grow on hillsides, so planting on slopes gives it a natural look. It is also beautiful in xeriscape and rock gardens with other succulents and drought-tolerant plants. Like most cacti, candelabra cactus has good drought resistance, but it will grow faster if you give it extra irrigation during the hottest part of the summer. 4. Claret cup cactus. Claret cup cactus is also called hedgehog, Mojave mound cactus, and kingcup cactus. It has the potential to grow to 3 feet high and up to 6 feet wide. Its fruit is juicy, tastes like strawberries, and turns bright orange as it ripens. In landscaping design, consider planting claret cup cactus with sage, poppies, yucca, penstemon, and native grasses. Claret cup cactus prefers a soil that contains more gravel than traditional cactus/succulent mixes. 5. Golden ball cactus. Golden ball cactus also goes by the name lemon ball cactus or yellow tower. It grows about 3 feet tall. Golden ball forms in clusters, making it a smart choice for fire-resistant landscaping like many other cacti. Single specimens are striking in containers. Not to be confused with golden barrel cactus, golden ball starts out globular in shape, then becomes more columnar. It is an excellent choice for beginning cactus gardeners. Golden ball cactus does best if it gets some shade during the hottest hours of the day. 6. Golden barrel cactus. Golden barrel cactus can grow up to 4 feet tall. This iconic round cactus is easily recognizable and probably the most popular type used in drought-tolerant areas. Plant several in a grid for visually striking landscape design in a front or backyard. Younger plants prefer some light shade, but once mature, golden barrel cactus thrives in full sun. 7. Strawberry hedgehog cactus. Strawberry hedgehog cactus can go by many names: strawberry cactus, Saint's cactus, purple torch, or Engelmann's hedgehog cactus. Hedgehog cacti are small and have free-branching clusters or mounds of erect stems that are sometimes prostrate. It grows to about 28 inches tall. All echinocereus have ornamental spines that densely cover the surfaces of the plants and are especially sharp. It looks attractive in rock and drought-tolerant gardens with other succulents and wildflowers. Outdoors, strawberry hedgehog cactus tolerates light shade, but if you grow it indoors as a container plant, give it the sunniest spot you can find. 8. Mexican fence post cactus. Mexican fence post cactus can grow up to 16 feet high. Individual stems are 3 to 8 inches in diameter. Its blooms appear in mid to late spring and are evident along the cactus ribs near the growing tip and down its sides. Pachycereus marginatus responds well to frequent watering when it is hot outside. During frost, protect the plant by placing styrofoam cups or burlap over growing tips. This showy columnar cactus has upright growth that is actually used as a living fence in Mexico and other regions where it grows well. Plant it near a brightly colored wall for a dramatic effect or in containers with native flowers. If you have ever visited the home of artists Diego Rivera and Frida Kahlo in Mexico City, you might recognize these cacti as the same type that borders their property. 9. Mammillaria polyedra. Most of the 300 species of mammillarias are native to Mexico, with the others native to southwestern United States, the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. Mammillaria polyedra grows up to 12 inches tall and 5 inches wide with 1-inch blooms. Mammillaria polyedra starts out as an individual plant, then eventually forms dense clusters. Pair them with other taller cacti, succulents, native grasses, native shrubs, and flowers. Unlike most cacti, Mammillaria doesn't like more than about 4 hours of direct sun each day. Bright, indirect light is best. 10. Old man cactus. Old man cactus is also called the Old Man of Mexico or Cousin It, a reference to a character in the Addams Family television show. One of the most popular cacti, this genus can be identified by tall, columnar or branching growth, and is often covered by long woolly hair. Species propagate easily from seed or cuttings. Some collectors wash the hair of this species to keep it white. Old man cactus can reach heights of up to about 40 feet, and its side stems produce blooms at night in mid-spring after it reaches heights of 20 feet or more. In drought-tolerant gardens, the old man looks good in clusters or when planted on either side of an entryway. Cactus gardening is truly an art form that rewards patience and minimalist care. By incorporating these hardy plants into your home garden, you aren't just saving water and time, You're creating a bold, timeless landscape that radiates personality. From the vibrant blooms that surprise you in the spring to the dramatic shadows they cast against a sunset wall, cacti prove that beauty doesn't always have to be delicate. We hope this guide has inspired you to see these prickly pioneers in a new light and perhaps even start a desert-inspired corner of your own. If you enjoyed these cactus styling tips, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration on transforming your outdoor spaces. We'd love to hear from you. Which cactus variety is your absolute favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss a chance to make your garden grow beautifully.